What is a methane bomb? Imagine a sudden burst of gas that could dramatically speed up climate change. That's what the term methane bomb refers to in the context of the polar regions. It's a scenario where large amounts of methane gas are released quickly into the atmosphere. This releases might happen because of the warming of the Arctic, which causes permafrost to thaw and methane trapped in ice-like structures called methane clathrates to destabilize. These clathrates are stored on the ocean floor and in frozen soils. As temperatures rise, microbes break down organic material in thawed permafrost, creating more methane. At the same time, warming ocean waters can cause methane clathrates to break apart and releases gas. The idea of a methane bomb is that this process could happen suddenly and releases vast quantities of methane in just a few years. Methane is a very powerful greenhouse gas, much stronger than carbon dioxide over short periods. If a large amount of methane enters the atmosphere quickly, it could cause a sharp increase in global temperatures. This would make climate change happen even faster and more intensely. The Arctic holds enormous amounts of methane, almost twice as much carbon as is in the entire atmosphere. When permafrost melts, it forms lakes called thermokarst lakes, which speed up methane releases because microbes decompose organic matter in the water. Melting glaciers and ice sheets also expose methane reservoirs that were previously sealed underground or undersea. The concern is that if these reservoirs releases their methane suddenly, it could create a feedback loop. Warming causes more methane to be released, which then causes more warming. This could lead to rapid ice melt, further thawing permafrost, and even more methane escaping. Detecting and predicting a methane bomb is difficult because the Arctic is hard to monitor with limited observation stations. Scientists worry that if a large release happens, it could accelerate climate change beyond current expectations. That's why understanding and keeping track of methane emissions in the polar regions is so important. If we can slow global warming, we can reduce the risk of a sudden methane releases and help protect the polar environment.